disconnect with my creativity, I would have been in deep trouble.
Absolutely. Well, Paul, just hang with us. We're going to come back and take final calls with you in just a moment here on Coast to Coast AM. Paul Levy with us talking about an incredible situation called Wetiko. It's spelled W-E-T-I-K-O. His book is called Undreaming Wetiko. And we will be back with you in a moment on Coast to Coast AM.
Join the Coast to Coast AM Facebook page with thousands of members. It's great for show updates and connecting with other fans. Go to facebook.com/Coast to Coast AM and click the like button.
Is your money safe? The banking system may be headed straight for collapse. And financial experts are sounding the alarm that more banks may fail. People are turning to gold and silver to protect their life savings. Call Goldco at 855-GOLD-IRA to learn how you can safeguard your life savings with gold and silver. Plus, Goldco is offering iHeart fans up to $10,000 in bonus silver when you open a qualifying account. So call 855-GOLD-IRA now.
This Mother's Day, give Mom an experience as unique as a mother's love. A Burke Williams Spa Day. Make it a day all about Mom. Hang up her Do Not Disturb sign. Schedule her out of office and tell everyone it's Mom's Day off. Start shopping today for limited time savings on all Mother's Day gift card packages. Visit BurkeWilliams.com/Mother's Day for details. That's BurkeWilliams.com/Mother's Day for details. Happy Mother's Day from Burke Williams.
We can all agree that there is no place in our lives for litter. So let's come together and create a litter-free California. Join us at cleanca.com. Let's do it together. Brought to you by Caltrans.
Presentamos cuentas claras inspiradas por AT&T Fiber.
Amor, ¿y ese pantalón nuevo?
Tu regalo de aniversario. ¡Tadán!
Pero yo veo mis novelas en mi tablet.
Ok, como somos guillonarios, seré claro contigo. Es un regalo de mí, para ver fútbol.
Yo también seré clara. Ni me acordaba que era nuestro aniversario.
Las cuentas claras son mejores. Sin cargos por equipo, sin límite de datos, sin aumento de precio a los 12 meses. Vive como guillonario. Disponibilidad limitada en ciertas áreas. Visita att.com/más gigas.
I'm Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. I learned about atrial fibrillation the hard way. My symptoms would come and go. Shortness of breath, fatigue. I kept going. Then I got so lightheaded, I couldn't. My doctor said I have AFib, so I'm about 5 times more likely to have a stroke. Other symptoms, irregular heartbeat, heart racing, chest pain can come and go, but the risk of stroke stays. If you have symptoms, tell a doctor. Visit notimetowait.com.
Sponsored by Bristol-Myers Squibb and Pfizer.
We joined the UNES community when our twins were just 4 years old.
We became part of the UNES community for our daughter, and she's not due for 6 months.
Join over 600,000 parents and children that have registered with UNEST by downloading the app today. For a limited time, download the UNEST app and use the code IHEART50 at sign up to receive a $50 bonus when you fund your account. That's code IHEART50 when you sign up at unest.co for a $50 bonus. See terms and conditions at unest.co.
Selling smoothies is what I do. But for small business insurance, I chose my State Farm agent. He's a small business owner too, so he knew how to help me personalize my policies. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Talk to an agent today.
For adults with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis or candidates for systemic or phototherapy, now there's Skyrizi, risankizumab Riza, a prescription-only 150 milligram injection. With Skyrizi, 3 out of 4 people achieve 90% clear skin at 4 months, and Skyrizi is just 4 doses a year after 2 starter doses. Nothing in me go hand in hand. Nothing on my skin, that's my new place. Nothing is everything. Don't use if allergic to Skyrizi. Serious allergic reactions and an increased risk of infections or a lower ability to fight them may occur. Before treatment, your doctor should check for infection and tuberculosis. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms, such as fever, sweats, chills, muscle aches, or cough, or if you plan to or recently received a vaccine. With Skyrizi, you could achieve 90% clear skin. Ask your doctor about the #1 dermatologist-prescribed biologic in psoriasis and visit skyrizi.com. Or call 1-866-SKY-RIZZI to learn more.
To talk to George Norrie, call the wildcard line at 818-501-4109. The first-time caller line is 818-501-4721. To talk toll-free from east of the Rockies, call 800-825-5033. From west of the Rockies toll-free, call 800-618-8255. To reach George via Skype, use Skype name George97313. Send George a text message anytime at 818-298-6521. This is Coast to Coast AM with George Norrie.
Next hour, Michael LaFlemme joins us with his work, Visions of Atlantis, first-time guest, so make sure you're a part of the program. If you signed up yet to become a Coast Insider, it's a great deal at 15 cents a day.
Hi, this is Jerry from Pearland, Texas. Loyal listener since 1996. I love being a coast-to-coast insider because I can download shows to my phone and listen anywhere in Texas, from our Gulf Coast beaches to the mountains of Big Bend.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. I'll probably do that. Okay. Oh, sure. See you. I too. Okay, let me work. Do not want to move. Damn. Whoa. Why are you doing this? Oh, shit. Okay. Closer. Closer here. Oh, okay. Just trying to avoid that, but whatever. Oh. Oh boy, okay, that should be good. Okay. Ooh.